Good morning, students. I am Aradhna and today I am going to teach you science. But before that, I have a question for you, a very easy question. What is the fundamental building block of matter? Right? It is atom. We have studied that atom is the smallest particle which cannot be divided further. Also, our scientist John Dalton said that atom is indivisible and indestructible. Is atom really indivisible? We will study about that in our chapter Structure of Atom. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Let's recall an experiment when we comb our dry hair, after then the comb attracts the piece of paper. Why does this happen? Can you answer? Right. The comb gets charged. Where does this charge come from? The comb is made up of matter and matter is made up of atoms. Means this charge are coming from atoms. So we can conclude that atom consists of charged particles, right? So in this way it was found that atom can be further divided. So our scientist J.J. Thomson discovered electron in the year 1900 and he called it negatively charged particle. Even before that, E. Goldstein in his experiment found the canal rays, that was positively charged rays, and which led to the discovery of proton. The proton was denoted as P plus and electron is denoted as E minus. The mass of proton is 1 unit and the charge is +1, whereas the mass of electron is negligible and the charge is -1. So, after the discovery of electron and proton, these two subatomic particles, many scientists were curious to know the structure of atom, to know the exact arrangement of these subatomic particles inside an atom. So many scientists keep on proposing different atomic models in order to explain the exact structure of an atom. Among them was the J.J. Thomson. He gave a structure, atomic structure is also known as Christmas pudding model or plum pudding model, or we can say watermelon structure. According to him, the structure of atom is very similar to that of a Christmas pudding. You must have seen Christmas pudding. There are dry fruits spread all over the pudding. So he said that these dry fruits or the cherries which are spread all over the pudding are the electrons or negatively charged particles embedded in a positive sphere. The cake, the edible part or the edible cake is the positive sphere. And if we take the example of watermelon, the red edible part is our positive sphere and the seeds which are spread all over it is a negatively charged particle, that is electron. So he gave two propositions according to his structure. He said that the first one was the atom is a positive sphere in which electrons or negatively charged particles are embedded. The second one is that the number of positively charged particle and negatively charged particle are equal, which means atom as a whole is neutral. So this was the structure which was explained by J.J. Thomson. Thank you.